Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hello all you wonderful people, I've had lots of requests regarding the Zontes GK350 to do an oil and filter change in Spanish. Subtitles so you know how to do it yourself instead of taking it to the dealer. So this is the video, hope you enjoy it. The video shows you the oil change first and then the filter change afterwards. Obviously if you're just doing an oil change, because you don't have to change the filter, every other service you change the filter. So the video is split into two, first the oil change, then you wouldn't put the oil in if you were doing a filter change as well. Look in your book, your manual, which will tell you how much oil to put in, whether you're doing a filter change or not a filter change, because it's a different amount because the filter holds some oil as well. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. This is Man Mick. I'll sign off and let you watch the video. Thank you. Bye bye for now.